Hello, Chef here once again today. I've got a recipe for you. I'm working with cucumbers. That's a big, beautiful cucumber there. Razor sharp peeler. Here we go. I'm going to remove some of the peel, not all the peel. I'm going to reserve the peel off to the side. Okay, first thing I want to show you is how to make a cucumber flour. It's very simple. You need a sharp knife. We're going to remove a piece here. We're going to start cutting very thin slices like this. Okay, once you've got some nice thin slices like this, we're going to be using these slices to line the plate. And the plate that I'm going to use is this really cool looking china right here. And we're going to line the plate just around the perimeter like this with some of these nice slices here. Okay, just like this. Okay, and for the dressing, I'm going to put a tablespoon of sugar, about a half a teaspoon of garlic, some olive oil, some white balsamic vinegar, sea salt, fresh ground black pepper, very fine. Yeah. As well as some fermented black beans. These are what's used to make soy sauce. Okay, those are going in. Okay, just a little stir. I'm actually going to smash a few of the beans as well. Release some more of the flavor. 2 tablespoons of water. A little tasting. Oh, yeah. The rest of the cucumber, I want to remove some of these seeds. So to do that, you just cut it down the middle. Use a small spoon. Okay, now the seeds have been removed. We're going to go for kind of a medium dice, but it's going to be a little random. So I'm just going to cut the cucumber like this. And it's really, really sharp, but the cool thing is you can go fast and nothing sticks. I'll show you a little speed here. All right, so we got our cucumber. The easiest way to get this cucumber off the cutting board and onto our into our mixing bowl is with the bench scraper. I hope by now you all have a bench scraper. Okay, so we're going to go back to our dressing. Here we go. Put that cucumber right in the dressing there. So just a quick taste here. See what we got going on. Oh yeah. I would like a little more salt. Okay, I'm reserving some of this peel to use for my garnish. And for my garnish, I'm just going to do some really, really thin slices like this. It's just cool looking and adds a little more texture to the plate. Okay, just want a few of these, so That's good right there. Yeah, look at those. Okay, so for the cucumber salad now, this has been marinating for a while. I'm gonna put this cucumber right in the middle of the plate. Some of the juice is coming out. Looks really, really good. It's gonna taste good too. I'm quite certain of that. Okay, that's a good portion of cucumbers right there. And then I'm gonna be adding some marinated tomatoes right here. Just a few. Nice color on the plate. I've got these cucumber peels here. We're going to give them a little bit of a quick tie like this. Okay, we're going to put them on the plate. I'm just going to use a few of them here. All right, and the last thing I'm going to put on here is going to be a hard-boiled egg, and that one's going to be just cut right in half. And there is one last thing. I wanted to put just a touch of flaxseed. Flaxseed adds a little crunch, a little texture. It's really cool looking, and this is kind of an exotic, unusual cucumber salad. I hope you liked the presentation. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be good. ChefDepot.com. Have a great day. Keep cooking.